एक स्टेट के चीफ मिनिस्टर आते हैं और वो बोल देते हैं बटेंगे कटेंगे, तुरंत हमने बताया कि ये कि उत्तर प्रदेश नहीं है, नॉर्थ में ये चलता होगा। हमारे महाराष्ट्र में शिवशाहू फुले अम्बेडकर की विचारधाराओं से महाराष्ट्र चलता है।
दशकों अजीत दादा ऐसे विचारों में रहे हैं कि जिन विचारों में सेक्युलरिज्म नाम का एक इस प्रकार का विचार है जो मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि हिंदू विरोधी है। सेक्युलरिज्म, देयर इज नो रियल सेक्युलरिज्म अमंगस्ट दोज हु कॉल देमसेल्व्स सेक्युलरिस्ट।
Amid growing speculation of a rift within Maharashtra's Mahayuti alliance, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar and several senior NCP leaders were notably absent from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's election rally at Chhatrapati Shivaji Park in Mumbai on Thursday. The NCP, led by Ajit Pawar, is a crucial partner in the ruling coalition alongside Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and the BJP. Now, adding to the intrigue, NCP candidates Sana Malik, Nawab Malik and Zishan Siddiqui were also missing from the high-profile event, which saw participation from leaders of the Shinde-led Shiv Sena and Ramdas Athavale's Republican Party of India. The absence of key NCP figures stood out, especially as the rally aimed to project a unified front within the Mahayuti alliance. Reports suggest that the tension stems from the BJP's controversial "Batenge to Katenge" campaign slogan, which has reportedly irked Ajit Pawar's faction of the NCP. Pawar, who had previously criticized the slogan as ineffective for Maharashtra, called for the coalition to focus on development issues instead. Shiv Sena MP Milind Deora, however, downplayed any talk of a rift, insisting that the alliance remains united. But signs of unease within Ajit Pawar's camp, particularly regarding the BJP's aggressive Hindutva campaign, continue to raise questions about the coalition's stability. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis defended the BJP's slogan, claiming it is a counter to the Mahavikas Aghadi's narrative. He stated that leaders like Ajit Pawar, Ashok Chavan and Pankaj Munde had misunderstood its core meaning.
दशकों अजीत दादा ऐसे विचारों में रहे हैं कि जिन विचारों में सेक्युलरिज्म नाम का एक इस प्रकार का विचार है जो मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि हिंदू विरोधी है। सेक्युलरिज्म, देयर इज नो रियल सेक्युलरिज्म अमंगस्ट दोज हु कॉल देमसेल्व्स सेक्युलरिस्ट। हिंदुत्व का विरोध करना है सेक्युलरिज्म उनके लिए, ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहे। इसलिए जनता का मिजाज और नेशनलिस्ट मिजाज ये समझने में थोड़ा समय उनको लगेगा। बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, इसका अर्थ समाज को एकत्रित रखना है और मुझे लगता है इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं।
Now, as the November 20 Maharashtra Assembly elections draw closer, the ruling Mahayuti alliance of BJP, Shiv Sena, Shinde faction and NCP is locked in a heated contest with the Mahavikas Aghadi, which comprises the Shiv Sena UBT, Congress and NCP Sharad Pawar faction. The stakes are high and the cracks in the alliance, whether real or perceived, could have a significant impact on the electoral outcome. For more stories like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the Indian Express YouTube channel.